welcome to my everyday cooking. In today's episode, I'm going to make Sev Turianu Shak. Turia is still blooming like crazily in my garden. So what could be better than just using fresh vegetables and prepare something yummy out of it? So let's get started.
I am going to pick up some turia, we call in India, known as rich gourd in English. Very nutritious and very yummy. They are actually pretty easy to grow compared to other vegetables, require very less care. Rich gourd is one of the very low calorie vegetables, carrying just 20 calories per 100 gram. It is extremely rich in dietary fiber and enriched with all the vital elements that includes vitamin C, zinc, iron, riboflavin, magnesium, thiamine, and traces of other minerals. It is low in saturated fat, cholesterol, and calories that aids in weight loss. To prepare turia, I prefer to use a peeler to peel the rich gourd. You can scrape with a knife too, but the peeler is much easier. You want all the rough ridges or lines to be peeled completely, then cut into half lengthwise and chop it into small pieces to add into the curry. And be sure to wash everything really well before using.
I'm going to use pressure cooker, but certainly you can use regular pot and prepare this curry in just a regular pot. Since turia doesn't take that long to cook, it's just worth even cooking in the open pot, but I'm going to use pressure cooker. Heat up the pressure cooker pot or regular pot on a medium to high heat. Add about a tablespoon of oil. I'm using peanut oil. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, sarso known as, or rye, and let them crack. Add cumin seeds, jeera, pinch of asafoetida, hing. Here are the curry leaves. Add curry leaves and cover to prevent the mess. And reduce the temperature to low or medium now. Garlic. Add turia, also known as turai, rich gourd basically, or Chinese okra. Salt to taste. Turmeric powder, haldi. Give this all a really good stir. Remove the stem of curry leaves. Since turia is very fresh and releases a lot of water in the cooking process, I'm not going to add any water at this time. Just cover the pressure cooker. Put the whistle on. And here only one whistle. Yes, because it's a fresh turia, just one whistle or two is just good enough. Once I hear one or two whistles, I release the pressure manually to retain the nice color of the turia. Then open carefully. As you can see, look at the color. And let me show you how much water it releases. Look at it. It's watery. And now ready to add remaining spices and the ingredients. Red chili powder as per your taste. Garam masala powder as per your taste. Sugar optional. Give this all a really good stir. I already love the color. Look at this. And finally, ready to add our sev, which is fried chickpea flour noodles. And sev will absorb all the water. So if you need to add water, you can. But this is how I like. Little kind of a lachka style. So now let sev absorb all the water. And if you want rasa barusak, add a little bit more water and simmer for a little bit. Take out into the serving handi. Look at this. Garnish with hara dhania and serve with garma garam roti. And I have my yummy menu ready. Alright, so here I have sev turianu shak ready. Very quick and easy, as you saw. I have the rotis ready. By the way, you can just serve this sabji just as it is, as kind of a stew or soup on a rainy or any cold days, if you don't want to prepare any rotis. But we usually serve with the complete meal, thali, Gujarati thali. Yummy. I hope you are enjoying my everyday cooking episodes, and please do like and comment below. Let me know how you finding all these recipes that I'm sharing. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also download Bhavna's Kitchen apps totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can also watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon or YouTube app itself. Thank you for watching and see you soon.